Hello everybody, welcome back to the Philippines. So we're going to show you how you take a cement mixer up a 12 to 14 foot incline. Today we're going to bring it down. We didn't get to see him take it up, but we're going to get to see him take it down. And I'm going to stand out of the way. I don't know what's better, to be on the top or the bottom here.
I
I
think
think I'm going to be on the top in case it rolls away. There's enough guys, they can handle it, right?
you're gonna help?
Here we go. You're going to have to stand closer so you can see.
I don't want to be run over with.
That's a front bush there. So it took them a long time to get over the rebar on the roof where there's supposed to be a post. So instead of being smart and bending the rebar down flat like they did before, they decided to just have to pick it up over. And it took quite a long time. So that poor mixer is getting all beat up. I gotta do something with the
You should have.
top piece or
You should
something.
have took up the motor.
The motor's only maybe 15 pounds. That's the lightest part of everything. The tires and the wheels weigh more than the mixer, or more than the motor does. So.
Make it safe. What I'm talking about. Just let it slide. Slide. Just let it slide.
That's not really letting it slide. That's a runaway. It's like a runaway train there. I'm going to step out of the way. Oh, a little piece of PVC pipe for the electrical is stopping it.
Huh? Uh-oh.
Instead of just bending it down.
Don't break it.
Because it's bent it. Watch out, Ray, you'll get run over.
That's the foreman there.
Duhara ka tao diha, diri mo diri. Sama mo. Duhara diha. Hoy. Duhara diha. Diri mo. Duhara lagi diha, diri mo. Kikinsa mo diri.
There are two people behind. Most of people here. Two different.
If Ray stands at the bottom, they'll never let it run away. He's the one that finds them work, so they won't let him get hurt.
So I wonder if it's easier to bring it up or bring down.
I'm going to say it's easier to take it up for him.
Okay. Don't worry, they're holding up here. If it's cracking, just jump. Oh, they're tying it in the roof.
Oh, that's good. At least that'll hold it.
Yeah. I was wondering, mostly the one who's holding up is old people. The one holding the roof is younger people. You see that?
I see that now,
They're
yeah.
more.
Yeah.
How is that, Kaya?
Poor Herman, he's going to get run off the road. Go off the edge of the thing. Steer that way more. Steer it over that way. There you go. That's right.
Kuya Nestor.
Yeah. Nestor and Herman. Yeah. There you go. There you go. See, I tell them to turn it that way, but they don't understand me. I think they ran over a chicken up there way it sounded.
Hoy, lubak na na.
Pick it up this way.
Jeez.
No. 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 No.
There you go. There you go.
Let's start cracking.
That's at the bottom.
See, all the younger people is up there.
Yeah. The oldest one's more. Oh, Steve Irwin's down here.
Oh.
And that's how you bring a mixer down 14 feet of elevation. More bent up than it was before now.
Yeah.
Now let's show the path they got to take to get it where it's going. They walk that way a little. Oh, here they come down the road. Coming down the road. Watch out, Dalton. Stand down here. This is our next incline here. It's easier for the young people than this old guy. Oh, look at that. No more.
Takoy! Dogi dog. Takoy! Takoy! It's much heavier when too much people.
Oh, yeah?
There are too many people.
Oh, you see Gaspar, he must have been sleeping. So back in the 90s, I remember being a grunt like that and having to do stuff like that. I'm glad I don't have to be like that anymore. But I think that's why my body's worn out now. So now I guess we're going to take it up the ramp on the other side. Or maybe we're just going to mix it right here.
I guess so. It seems like it.
That's fantastic.
Probably with our neighbor.
So just make sure the whole path's clear. So there you go. That's how you take a mixer down off of a rooftop. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.